Officials neither acknowledge their offenses, nor do they recognize the victims as having suffered. They are just trying to avoid having their religious entity status revoked.
The Tokyo court will hear arguments from the government and the group before handing down a decision. If the court order is granted, the group would lose its religious corporation and tax exemption status, but it would still be allowed to continue its religious activities. The group came under scrutiny after last year's fatal shooting of former Prime Minister Abe Shinzo. The gunman told investigators that he believed Abe and the church had close ties. His mother had given huge donations that he claimed had financially ruined his family. People in eastern parts of Africa are dealing with deadly flooding. Our meteorologist Jonathan O has a look at the situation in world weather.
Hello. Central areas of Africa typically sees a rainy season during this time of year, but we're having some major problems in places like Somalia, where too much rain came in such a short period of time, and on top of that, it's been very dry. Let's go to the country here. We're going to see some video out of Mogadishu as heavy rain caused widespread floods across Somalia after its worst drought in 40 years. At least 25 people reportedly have been killed, and more than 110,000 have been displaced. The government has declared a state of emergency and above average